Casing. Constructed from heavy-gauge galvanized steel. Panels are painted with epoxy powder paint for excellent finish, weatherability, and corrosion resistance. Evaporator section is insulated with closed-cell polyethylene foam. High-efficient condenser coil. Staggered row of inner groove tubes with 25 to 30% more surface area guarantee better heat transfer. Mechanically expanded into die-formed corrugated aluminum louver fins with increased the heat exchange surface, which is high heat exchange efficiency. Leak and pressure tested to 650 seg. Easy access doors design. Removable the access doors on the filter, fan motor, and electric box sections. Provide convenient access to system components for maintenance and service.